Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sound and vibration. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called vibration intensity. Tap on it. And we have two types of vibration, standard and strong. Select the one you like, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.